In this video, we embark on a mind-bending journey at the intersection of quantum physics and gratitude. It's a place where the universe's secrets meet the power of thankfulness. Welcome to Innerjoy Explorers, your compass to a happier and more fulfilled life. Let's dive into the quantum connection. In the quantum world, quantum physics unravels the mysteries of the universe at the tiniest scales, where particles and waves dance in ways that defy our intuition. It's a realm of the extraordinary. The power of intention. Quantum physics reveals the role of intention in shaping reality. Our thoughts and emotions can influence the quantum world. Your thoughts are powerful creators. Gratitude's energy. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that emits a positive energy, and quantum principles suggest this energy may have far-reaching effects. Your gratitude ripples through the quantum fabric of the universe. Now, let's explore how gratitude interacts with quantum physics. Number 1. The gratitude experiment. Delve into the research on how gratitude may affect the quantum world. The results will leave you in awe. Number 2. The observer effect. Learn about the observer effect and how your conscious focus can influence quantum outcomes. Your presence changes the game. Number 3. Gratitude practices. Discover practical gratitude practices that can align your energy with the quantum field. It's more than just saying thank you. As we explore the quantum world and gratitude's role, remember, your thoughts and emotions are not isolated, they resonate with the universe. Gratitude is your bridge to the quantum realm. Embrace it and discover the universe's secrets. If this video sparked your curiosity, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more mind-expanding content on personal growth and well-being. Until next time, may your gratitude connect you to the vastness of the universe.